got the topic innovation and startup policies. Innovation and startup policies. It is very helpful for your career. Those who want to start a business, those who want to start up the startups. So not only everyone is looking for jobs, everyone is looking for industry, looking after your education is over. Okay, so most of them are looking for jobs, but not only jobs. If you want to, you can talk in other areas also. Like, why don't you start a business? Why don't you start a startup? If you have good innovative idea, if you have a good plan, good picture in your mind, you should have start startups. So most of the people are started their business, they succeeded in the market. So I'll brief everything. Okay, so what is a startup? What is an innovation? What are the policies? Okay, how it should be beneficial for you people. You think at least in this class about 60% are students are there, 10% are motivated from my video. Then it's very good. 10% are going to start the startups. Okay, so what is very good? 10% are going to start the startups. Okay, so what is a startup? Anyone knows what is a startup? A startup is if you have idea. If you have an idea, that idea will be converted into business. Idea will be converted into business. Then you start establish some industry. You start establish some industry. Okay, so you can call it as a startup. Most of the successful business are initially they are startups. Most of the business now. The market. So they are doing crores of business, billion crores. Okay. So that's what I am telling. Not only looking for jobs, you also become entrepreneur and create the jobs for the employees. You should provide the employment. Lot of opportunities are there. Government having. They are giving good benefits, central government, state government. Okay, so use the benefits and register. First, what you are going to think is first you identify the problem in the market. What problem is facing? Suppose you want to start a startup in some area. First, you should identify the problem. What problems that are facing currently. Okay, so you think innovative. You give the solution to the problem. That solution should be means that solution should be in the form of starting a startup. Means that solution creates a startup. Okay, so daily routine. What problems you are facing? What problems you are facing in the market? IT industries or any applications. Okay, you have your best solution. Then immediately you work on that problem. So that definitely you will be succeeded in one day. You are going to create wonders. So that is the main agenda of this topic: innovation and startup. And startup policies also I will say. Startup policies. Okay. So now. So what is a startup? A startup is a combination of new business, innovation, technology, passion, all together we call it as a startup. A new business, innovation. A startup is a combination of new business, innovation, technology, and passion. A startup is a company that's in the initial stages of a business. A company that is in the initial stage of business, not old establishments, not already running a company. You don't consider it as a startup. Okay, new business. That is an initial stage of a business. Just now this time started and running a business. We call it as a startup. Okay. some rules are also there. We should follow that rules. How, if you suppose a company startup, how we can call it as a company startup? Some rules and regulations are there. I'll explain each and everything. According to the new rules, entity will be considered a startup up to 10 years from the date of its incorporation and registration. Registration means the age of the company should not be exceeded 10 years. You started one business. Suppose now what is the 2020 currently? 2000. Suppose you assume that 2012 you started the business company. 2022 means it is a 10 years. It is 10 years. Below 10 years old, you can call it as a startup. Your business will be called as a startup. If it is exceeded 10 years, you don't call it as a startup. Only 10 years. The company age should be 10 years. We call it as what? Startups creates a disruption. Startups creates a disruption. Okay, they creates a disruption. You observe that presentation. Now, the taxi previously, if you want to book a taxi, you should go to the taxi vendors. Okay, manually you inquire and manually you should book the taxi. Now you can see, now Ola, Uber, now they are trending nowadays for booking the taxis, means the vehicles. See, previously the system is like that. Now the system will be how they popular Ola and Uber, and we have some more companies also there. Okay, they are provided. See this now. Previously, the stores, if you want to purchase something, you should go and you should purchase in the market. Supermarket, now brokers. Directly you can online. Directly you can do the payment. Directly you can order the groceries in online. You can do the payment. Directly they will come to your home. Lot of time will be saved. And for you people, lot of customers, time will be saved. And for the companies, who is the owner of the company, lot of money and lot of manpower, absorbing lot of time will be saved for both, so that it will be popular in the market. Then only it will be popular. Otherwise, no. It should be benefited for both customers and as well as the organization, right? Now see how the people are studying previous days, studying textbooks. Now you can observe mostly we use the tabs. Okay, but how the disruptions, they creates the disruptions. It creates the disruption, right? See, hotels, if you want to book an hotel, you should go and you should ask, you should inquire with the hotel. Now OYO rooms, everyone knows the OYO rooms. OYO rooms, what is the use of the OYO rooms? Directly you can, app is there, you download the app and install the app, directly you can book a room. Okay, in the hotels, right? Now, Snapdeal, Flipkart, Amazon, every day we are seeing food panza. If you want to order the food, no rid of many hotels. Means all whatever the right side is there, all the right side startups. All the right side, what I am shown, all the startups. Because at that time, no one having that idea. No one, maybe few people are laughed when they started. How